Good morning. It's June 2nd. We're on a Friday now of a short week. Obviously, a debt deal got done. Everything's roaring, but let's look at volatility. This is the time when you're thinking about protecting, you want something cheap, you've got it today. So let's head to the Longbow dashboard. So here I've given you a whole bunch of signals. I've got the VIX, it's oversold. So that's S&P vol. You've got the VXX, so the volatility of that, it's oversold. So vol is down, and the vol of vol is down. The VVIX is getting pretty close to the low end of its trading range. The VXM, so that's like midterm futures. We've got the Ultra VIX futures, UVXY, below its low end of the trading range, so oversold. VXZ, so the S&P vol medium term, you've got below the low end of its trading range, and the ProShares VIX short-term futures, VIXY, guess what? Oversold. So boom, 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 boom. You see it everywhere. All the vols oversold. So if you're looking to pick up vol, that's usually a good place. Even though the momentum indicator is saying, oh, we're looking at bearish for a bunch of things, vol's coming down, everything's smooth sailing. What are you seeing here? We're seeing some complacency. So we're seeing the applied volatility discount being at a premium. And so it's a premium, not a discount. And so you're looking at, call it 57%, for example, for the VIXM, over 300% for the VXZ. So you're looking at these and saying, well, what are my odds to the upside on it? You've got 30.4 to 1 on the VIX, right? Look, 30 for the UVXY. You've got really strong numbers here. And so again, let's say you've been riding this wave, like believe they do a debt ceiling, thought that people would get excited, but now you want to protect. You could trim, but that could cause tax gains if that's your taxable account. Or you can hedge and then say, okay, well, if the hedge works, great. I'll lose less overall. I might have to pay short term on the hedges. But if it doesn't work, so I'll get a tax benefit here. I can take those tax losses, or it depends how far you go out. But this is how you think about when to protect. You have to have your macro and fundamental views, but then wait for when protection is cheap. So we're looking at here, all of these you can find on the top 25. The potential upside. So the asymmetric upside, we're giving you the top 25 on that tab. And when you see all of them really making a pattern, that's when maybe it'll just be a short-term benefit by, obviously like buying into the range signal. But if it's something you're looking to put on, it could give you a really good timing for that. And we're going to be giving you really soon the odds. We're going to be giving you what is like how successful are the trading range signals per security. We're going to be giving you some artificial intelligence and machine learning outputs to say what could you use in addition to the ranges to even do a better job. So many things that are so exciting along the way with experts working with us that we know that the signals already are very, very robust, and we're going to make them even more robust for you. So stay tuned. But for today, we're talking about volatility and how you can use the patterns you see on the dashboard. That's it. Have a great weekend, and we'll catch you back Monday.